What's up everyone, I'm Jennifer with Seneca Photography. If you're new here, I make videos about road trips, drone photography, and exploring some of the coolest places around Washington State. Today we're heading east over the mountains for a weekend adventure. We've got the drone packed, the cameras are charged, and honestly, we don't have a super strict plan. Sometimes those end up being the best trips. We started the trip by heading east from Seattle toward Wenatchee. There's something about crossing over the mountains that immediately makes it feel like you're leaving the everyday routine behind. The goal for the weekend was pretty simple: explore central Washington, find some scenic places to fly the drone, take photos, and just enjoy a slower weekend on the road. No strict schedule, no big production plan, just cameras, the drone, and seeing where the weekend takes us. So we're here at the Hilton, we're checked in, got some water to hydrate, it's really hot outside. We're gonna get ready and check out the town and see what's up. Pretty nice room. Let's check out the view. Wow. So we just left the hotel and we're walking across. It's like right next to the hotel is this public market and has like restaurants and stores and little shops and stuff. And after driving for 3 hours, we're a little hungry. So we're gonna go check it out and see if we can find something to eat. We made it to Wenatchee and just checked into the hotel. After the drive, we kept it pretty low key the first night. Sometimes on these weekend road trips, I like to use the first day to just get settled, walk around a little, grab dinner, and get ready for the real exploring the next day. Good morning everybody. Okay, so finally we get to fly the drone today. We're gonna pack it up, we're gonna head to Chelan. Oh, the sun is so bright that way. We're gonna head to Chelan, check it out, and whatever stops we can find along the way, but it's a beautiful day and it's a perfect day to fly the drone. Let's go. Okay, so we just stopped at this park that we found on the side of the road on our way to Chelan, and it's right here on the water. Check it out. And right up here, I'm gonna show it to you on the drone, but I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it with the GoPro, but up on the rock face, there's all these like paintings of like numbers. I'm not sure what they mean. When I show you the drone video, maybe you guys can tell me what it is, but it's that rock right above me, right over here. So let's get up there and check it out. So it's a really sunny day today, so we definitely have to use an ND filter. And because we're filming over the water, I'm actually going to use a UV polarized ND filter that I have, and then it really helps with the water so you don't get those glitches when you're editing. So this is my UV Freewell ND filter. And I use this on my DJI Mavic 3 Cine. There we go. We noticed this huge rock cliff with numbers painted all over it. At first, I had no idea what it was. It honestly felt like one of those random things you find on a road trip that makes you go, wait, what is that? Later, we found out it's called Numeral Mountain. It's a tall cliff just south of Entiat, Washington, and for generations, Entiat High School seniors have painted their graduation years on the rock. The tradition dates back to the early 1900s, which makes this a cool little piece of local history that we completely stumbled into. This is exactly why I love traveling without a strict plan. You leave room to find things you didn't even know you were looking for. All right, well, that was stop number 1. That was a lot of fun. This is such a beautiful area. We haven't even made it to Chelan yet, so it's just gonna get better. So let's pack up the drone, see what's next. Okay, everybody, we're finally here. We're at Lake Chelan. Hey guys, so we're here at Lake Chelan. We're gonna get the drone up. It's a beautiful sunny day. There's boats and wave runners on the water. Let's go check it out. What's up, everybody? So we just finished up the day. We explored Wenatchee and Lake Chelan, and it was just absolutely beautiful. We had such a great day flying the drone and just exploring this whole city. We're taking a break now in the park. It's kind of the end of the day. We're probably going to get some food and some drinks and relax. But it's been such a great day. I can't wait to go explore tomorrow. We're going to be hitting Leavenworth and Cashmere tomorrow. There's going to be some cool little stops, and I'm sure we're going to find some places to fly the drone as well. So, see you tomorrow. What's up, everybody? Good morning, good morning. So, last day of the trip, it's Sunday, and we're leaving Wenatchee, and we stopped at the Cashmere Museum and Pioneer Village, which is where we're at right now. Our first stop of the day was the Cashmere Museum and Pioneer Village. This was such a cool place to walk through because it gives you a look into the history of the area. There are old buildings, artifacts, and little details everywhere that makes it feel like you're stepping back in time. It's the kind of stop that adds something different to a road trip. Not just pretty views, but a little bit of history and better understanding of the places you're traveling through. Okay, so we just wrapped up the Cashmere Museum. That was really cool. Now we're gonna get back in the Jeep and we're gonna head on over to the 9/11 Memorial. This stop definitely shifted the tone of the day for a little bit. It's a beautiful memorial and a reminder of why it's important to slow down and really take in the places we visit. Not every stop on the trip has to be about getting the perfect photo or drone shot. Sometimes it's about being present and appreciating the meaning behind the place. After Cashmere, we headed into Leavenworth for lunch. Leavenworth is always a fun stop, even if you're just passing through. The mountain views, the Bavarian-style buildings, the shops, the restaurants. It's one of those places that feels completely different from anywhere else in Washington. Okay, everybody, so we just left Leavenworth. We checked it out. It's a cool little Bavarian town here, very Bavarian themed. We walked around their downtown area, checked out some of the shops, and got a little bit of food. And now we are leaving Leavenworth to head back to our home in Seattle, but we found this really cool pull-off here with river access, and we're going to take the Avada 2 up and see what we can see. Let's go. Okay guys, so I don't know if you can hear the river behind me. Can you see it? All right, so we're on this really cool pull-off. I have to actually, let me just see if it says on the sign here where we are. Nope. Okay guys, so we're here on just some random pull-off on the side of the road, and it's leaving Leavenworth, going west back towards the city. And it seems like it's like a camping site or some kind of place where you can park and hike for the day. So I don't know, let's get up in the sky and check it out. Okay guys, that was really cool. Not too much to see here but the river, but it's beautiful. We got some cool shots. That's it for this trip. I had an awesome weekend exploring Central Washington, and I hope this inspires you to get out there too. If you enjoyed coming along, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe. I've got a lot more Washington road trips and drone videos coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.